You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Three numbers before you look at your portfolio today. Negative 28.9%, 6,023, and 4 trillion won. KOSPI just posted its worst monthly drop since the 2008 financial crisis, down 28.9% in July alone. Foreign investors sold 4.97 trillion won yesterday, a third straight day of selling. Nvidia just signed a lease deal worth up to $50 billion, and circular financing worries are back. Meanwhile, Hanwha Ocean and Samsung Heavy posted opposite earnings surprises off the very same currency move. It's Wednesday, July 29th. Here's what today's story could mean for the Korean market. The sell-off accelerated after China's CXMT surged in its debut listing, and reports emerged of domestic DUV lithography production, reviving fears China could narrow the memory chip gap. Rising financing costs for AI infrastructure added pressure, as Nvidia's 5-year bond CDS spread jumped to 0.82% from around 0.35 to 0.50%. Speculation that the Fed could deliver a surprise rate hike this week added another layer of risk-off pressure across tech-heavy markets. Here's what the numbers show. KOSPI closed at 6,023.66, a monthly loss of 28.9%, surpassing the 23.1% drop recorded during the 2008 financial crisis. Foreign investors sold 4.97 trillion won, about $3.4 billion in shares yesterday, extending their selling streak to 3 straight sessions. Individual investors bought 4.33 trillion won, about $2.96 billion, the same day, absorbing much of that foreign selling. Hanwha Ocean posted a second-quarter operating profit of 736.1 billion won, about $503 million, up 98% and well above forecasts thanks to its low currency hedge ratio. Samsung Heavy Industries posted 325 billion won, about $222 million in operating profit, up 58.7%, but below forecasts because its near-full currency hedge locked in older, lower exchange rates. KOSPI's forward price-to-earnings ratio fell to 5.1 times, with semiconductor stocks trading below 4 times, the lowest valuation level since 2000. So what does this mean for investors watching their positions this week? Earlier, we said KOSPI just posted a 28.9% monthly drop. Here's what that actually means for you. This is now deeper than the 2008 crisis on a one-month basis, so position sizing and volatility management matter more than calling a bottom. Analysts remain split, with some describing this as a supply and demand-driven correction, and others calling it the early stage of a genuine bear market tied to slowing growth. Watch this week's earnings from SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics, plus upcoming big tech results and the FOMC meeting, since these events are widely seen as the real test of whether the AI investment cycle still holds. That's today's AI PRISM, Stock Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a WAN-IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.